Hey, what's up, guys? I want to show you something real quick. Um, this is no new way of lighting your Weber, but I usually use a charcoal lighter starter log or a Weber cube to get my charcoal started. But normally, if you're trying to light quite a bit of charcoal, you get a lot of black smoke coming off that charcoal before you can actually get it lit. So I found online on Amazon this nice little torch, and I'm gonna put a description down in the bottom. And I'm gonna tell you, this is probably the best way to light charcoal because there's very, very little smoke coming off of this. Let me show it to you so you can see what I'm talking about. Torch, and it connects to a propane tank and little torch. But look at that, very, very little smoke coming off of that, and helps get it lit up and takes it no time to get it fired up. It's only been in there for about a minute, and look how far it's actually got lit. Just wanted to share that with you guys. When I find new things, I try to share them with other people, but this is probably the coolest way to light your charcoal.